Good morning everyone, welcome to another series of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is MIIRA, that is Millet International Initiative for Research and Awareness. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. India has introduced a draft to launch a global initiative MIIRA to encourage the consumption and production of millet. Now let's discuss about Millet International Initiative for Research and Awareness, that is MIIRA. It is in line with the UN declaring 2023 as the International Year of Millets, the proposal for which was moved by India and supported by 72 countries. Its secretariat will be in Delhi. It will be aimed at coordinating millet research programs at the international level. Its vision is to make millets a people's movement alongside positioning India as the global hub of millets. Indian Institute of Millet Research located in Hyderabad will provide technical support to the initiative. India will contribute the seed money while each G20 member will later have to contribute to its budget in the form of a membership fee. Now moving on to objectives of MIIRA. To coordinate the millet research program, to involve different countries and increase the skill set of the research activities, to increase millet consumption in the world and to increase investment in millet research. Now let's understand which food grains are called millets. Millets are small grained cereals such as sorghum, pearl millet, foxtail millet, little millet, kodo millet, finger millet, proso millet, etc. These crops require much less water than rice and wheat and are mainly grown in rain-fed areas. Now grown in more than 130 countries, millets are the traditional food for more than 500 million people in Asia and Africa. Globally, jowar is among the most widely grown millet crop. Its major producers are the US, China, Australia, India, Argentina, Nigeria, and Sudan. During 2018-19, Agriculture Ministry data show bajra 3.67%, jowar 2.13%, and ragi 0.48% accounted for about 7% of the gross cropped area in India. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements regarding the Millet International Initiative for Research and Awareness or MIIRA. 1. It is in line with the UN declaring 2023 as the International Year of Millets. 2. Its secretariat will be in Bhopal. Which of the above given statement or statements is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.